Jungle.
The front part with the ventilation slots is rearranged, along with completely new headlight and bonnet designs. The design of dorsal fin, which is a characteristic of the Type 57 SC Atlantic, still appears on La Voiture Noire. This detail runs from the grille and passes through the ceiling, dividing the rear windshield and ending at the Bugatti logo on the rear. This special edition supercar is designed to celebrate Bugatti's 110th birthday. It costs $18.9 million, and is the most expensive car of all time. The bad news is that even if you have that amount of money on hand, you won't be able to buy a car, because it only produces one car, and there's already a buyer. La Voiture Noire means the black car, which shares a lot of components with two other Bugatti supercars, Chiron and Devo. Specifically, it is equipped with a large W16 engine with a capacity of 8 liters, 16 cylinders, 4 booster systems, maximum torque of 1,600 Nm. With horsepower up to nearly 1,500. Vehicles with 7-speed dual-clutch gearbox and 4-wheel drive system, 4WD. This supercar was designed by Bugatti based on the inspiration of the legendary Type 57 SC Atlantic racing car. With the body is completely handcrafted entirely in carbon fiber material. The front and rear lights of the car are all LED. In particular, the tail section has 6 exhaust pipes. The car was sold to a collector. According to some sources, it was Mr. Ferdinand Piëch, grandson of Ferdinand Porsche and president of Volkswagen Group from 1993 to 2002. Bugatti still did not reveal guests. Who is the lucky goods? Only claims it is a Bugatti enthusiast.